Have you ever trusted a friend blindly, only to feel betrayed later? Robert Greene warns us in Law 2, never put too much trust in friends, learn how to use enemies. Friends can be dangerous. Why? Because friendship is built on emotions, and emotions can change. When friends feel jealous, insecure, or overlooked, they can quickly turn against you. They might even betray you faster than an enemy because you never expected it. Enemies, on the other hand, can sometimes be more reliable. Think about it. An enemy has something to prove. If you give them a chance to work with you, they often work harder to show loyalty because they want to erase the past and earn your trust. History shows many examples of leaders who kept enemies close, not because they forgot the past, but because they knew ambition makes people dependable. So, what's the lesson here? Be careful with blind trust. Don't give away all your secrets or power to your closest friends just because they feel safe. And don't underestimate the value of an enemy. Sometimes the person you once fought against can become your strongest ally. And that's Law 2. In the next video, we'll reveal Law 3, a rule about keeping people guessing, and trust me, it changes how others see you forever.